peeps, welcome to another day in Apex Apartment Lifestyle. Today I'll be teaching you to make saltfish and butter bean in coconut cream, so follow me. Open bag with the saltfish, and this is what the saltfish look like inside. Dried saltfish. So you're gonna take out the saltfish, put it in the pot because there is like a lot of salt in the bag. A lot of salt is in the bag. You don't want to get all that excess salt from the bag. Now you're gonna wash it. And put it on the fire. Put on the fire to boil for at least 20 minutes. Ensure not to cover the pot. If you cover it, it will boil over and get the stove all messed up when the foam's up. You're gonna boil the saltfish at least 20 minutes. You toss the water and then you pour new water and reboil it once more to get all the salt away from it. After boiling for 20 minutes, then you can pour this water, add fresh water, and boil for another 20 minutes. Cut garlic cloves in small cubes, and your onion, red and green bell pepper, cut in small pieces, in small chunks. After boiled, pour water from codfish and leave to cool. Add half cup of water into skillet. Then add a coconut creamer into a skillet and stir and leave to boil for 10 minutes. Stir until ingredients form its own oil. Then add chopped ground provision, your garlic, your onion, and your bell pepper, and stir. Next you add your saltfish that's already been cooled. So we had the butter bean, and today I'm using braised butter bean. And we stir. So we're just gonna stir it just a little. So next you can add a little black pepper sauce if you want to. Just add a little black pepper. Just spice it up a little. Or you can use cayenne pepper if you rather to use cayenne pepper. And then you're gonna cover and leave it to simmer for at least 15 minutes. And there you got it, all simmered saltfish with butter bean and coconut cream. And today I'll be serving it with some cooked yam, banana, all ready to be served. So here we go, all done. Thank you all my viewers for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Help me put this one to 1,000 likes. Thank you all.